How's it going, everyone? I've got some more mods in store for the Mustang today. Now, as you know from all my previous videos, I've enjoyed doing a lot of upgrades myself so far, but sometimes you've got to bring in the experts. So I've got Andy from Tints on the way over to, as the name suggests, install some tints. But alongside installing mint tints, they also do wrapping as well. So I'm going to have windows tinted, the rear three windows in like a dark smoke, and then he's going to also be doing the stripes. If you follow me on Instagram, or even if you saw one of my previous videos, I'd put up kind of like a poll of all the different stripe options I was considering. Initially I thought about just having a black roof, and then I tried out some stripe designs in Forza on the Xbox, and they really tempted me, and I've decided to go with two 25cm gloss black stripes all the way across from front to back, plus two little white pinstripes, just like the new GT350 design, although the GT350 has 6.75 inch stripes, quite narrow ones, whereas I'm going for more of like the GT500 stripes, which are like 10 inch wide. So I guess that kind of makes my car a GT850. So yeah, kind of like an inspiration of both. Tints and stripes are the two main jobs, but then I'm also going to get in a few little extra bits wrapped, which I'll take you around the car and show you now. So one of the little jobs is going to be putting some black tint on the corners of these headlights. In fact, let me see if we can get around to the other side. The torch might help too. So there we go, see those big dirty orange reflectors. A common mod that people do on the owners clubs is get a bit of headlight tint installed and cut around that sort of profile around there, just to cover that up. That looks pretty good. Also going gloss black will be the mirrors. Another small little detail is, if it'll focus, is a bit of red tint over those orange reflectors, just to blend them a little bit. Let's see, there's something else, but I can't remember. Well, that's it. One of the major things I'm looking forward to is getting rid of this this chrome trim around the window, which comes on the custom pack on the Mustang GT. But I'd much prefer that in gloss black, so that's going to be gloss black to match the wheels, and that's going to tie everything together into this red, black and white colour scheme. So I'll check with Andy when he gets here to make sure he don't mind me filming him at work and looking over his shoulder while he's busy. So hopefully he won't mind. So that means I'll get some nice footage of the installation procedure, and I'm quite interested in seeing how it's all done as well. Actually, I think I've already checked, and the way they do the stripes is using that cutting tape. So that'd be interesting to see how it's all installed. So check it out, I'm really loving my Mustang's new look now. I'm so glad I opted for stripes in the end over my original plan of just going for a black roof. The white pinstripes really finish off the look too. It's amazing how much of a difference they make over the black stripes alone. Those little details make all the difference too. The headlight corner tint gives it a much meaner look by blending in the chrome shroud and the orange reflector, while the orange reflector on the rear blends in much better with it being red too. The window trim looks much better in black as well to match the gloss black details elsewhere on the car. Originally I chose satin black for this for an OEM look, but I changed it to gloss black last minute to tie into the overall theme I'm going for. Then the mirrors were something I wasn't sure whether to go black or keep red, but what made my decision in the end was the fact that I have about a 1-inch gap at either side when reversing into my garage. That's with the mirrors folded, so at least the wrapping offers some protection for if I accidentally scuff one of them. Replacing the wrap will be much easier than repairing the paint. There's still a couple of bits that I want to dechrome that weren't really suitable for wrapping, the pony emblem and the 5.0 badges, so I'll have a video of me stealthing them out soon. I'll also be painting my calipers to match the colour scheme too, so I'll let you guess on which colour out of the red, black and white colour scheme I'm going for. Stay tuned to the channel if you want to see those updates, along with the installation of the Sportline springs. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.